Hey guys, I'm Miss White, and you know what? I love chemistry. I love chemistry, and that's why I'm a chemistry teacher. You know what? I'm thirsty, and I need to go yell at some students. How convenient.
So Doc,
Yes, my son.
what do we have here?
Well, as I understand, you have 5 suspects in your murder investigation. Death and Miss White. Now, I have to ask, did you find any unusual substances on the suspects? Not the victims, the suspects.
Yeah. We found some calcium chloride and sodium carbonate on the suspects.
That's quite interesting because I extracted a solution from Miss White.
Really?
And I reacted that solution with both sodium carbonate and calcium chloride. Now, the calcium chloride had no reaction. The sodium carbonate did. You know what that means?
What, Doc? What does it mean?
It means that calcium chloride is a murder weapon.
Really?
So I would recommend... I'm so sorry. There's this weird kid chasing me.
It's alright. It's fine.
Yeah, so I would go back and interview the 2 suspects that had calcium chloride. I believe that was scarlet and green, so that means we can ignore either where there's a B there. We can ignore these 2.
Got it?
Yeah, I took chem, not English.
Alright, Doc, is that it?
I think that's it, isn't it?
Alright, thanks for the time. Alright.
Namaste.
Sit down. No, okay. Now, Mrs. Scarlett, where were you on the night of the incident?
What incident?
The one that happened earlier today.
Oh, with the poison.
Yes. Poison.
I was buying mangoes.
Oh, really? Mangoes?
I make a lot of smoothies.
Yeah, see, mangoes have a lot of calcium chloride in.
No,
Yes, they do. They do.
I never knew.
You know what? Stop talking. I've got my eye on you. I'm gonna be watching you 24/7. Alright? Alright?
Just making mangoes.
No, you're done talking. You're done. You can leave. You can leave.
God.
Alright. Let's get this over with. Oh, what's that?
Oh, this is calcium chloride. I mean, white chocolate.
Oh,
Sorry. I'm offended.
alright. Now, Mr. Green, where were you on the night of the incident?
Oh, I was killing.
Nice to charge.
I was helping an old lady across the street,
Oh, what a nice guy.
helping her with her
Yeah,
groceries
Did she get through okay? Yeah.
Yeah, she was fine.
Alright.
She nearly got hit by a truck,
But, you know.
that didn't.
Alright.
Unfortunately.
Now, I don't know you very well, but you seem like a very nice guy. You know?
Yeah.
Not a lot of problems or anything?
No.
Now, according to these files, you look like a very nice guy. And you're clean, right? Yeah, it looks pretty good.
So how do you feel about dying?
You know, I mean, ifs and buts, but, you know, we'll pick. Alright, I guess you're free to go.
Okay, I'm done.
No, you can leave that here. You
No.
Okay. Now, with the evidence found, both suspects seem very suspectable. Mr. Green and his white chocolate, and Mrs. Scarlet with her melons.
It's mangoes,
Oh,
sir. It's
oh,
mangoes.
Mangoes, yes. Now, both types of evidence contains carbon chloride. The same evidence found in the dead body earlier. I'll have to get them to the lab and get checked out.
I'm sorry, sir. It's calcium chloride. You got that wrong again. I'm sorry.
Alright, yes. My bad. The 2 suspects.
Hey, what's up, my son?
Mr. Green seems very clean, nothing really on him, but Mrs. Scarlet, she seems very suspectable. And, you know, with the mangoes we found earlier, I think she might be the one.
The one, like, you know, the girl you're
No, not that one.
Oh, the color. Okay. Oh, by the way, here, you should probably wear this.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Now, what do we have here?
Right, so, I too suspected that Miss Scarlet was probably the killer. So I checked the molarity of the calcium chloride in her mangoes. Now this right here is the murder solution, the one that was used to kill Miss White, which I extracted from her body. We put that in solution and we evaporated it to find the calcium chloride.
Okay, I see.
So meanwhile, with Miss Scarlett's calcium chloride, we took the calcium chloride, put it in the petri dish. We did the same exact thing. And we found we subtracted the mass of the petri dish once we were done. We found we had the liters in question, and the molarity is moles over liters, as you of course know. And using that, we found that the average molarity of her calcium chloride solution was 0.036. Now it's not exact, but these things never are. And that's the one that's closest to the molarity of the murder solution, which means that Miss Scarlett is indeed your killer.
All right. I think we've got our suspect then.
I think you have your killer, not just your suspect.
Indeed, indeed. All right, let's go.
I can come?
Yes, you can.
I remember they were going with this before.
Let's go. Miss Scarlett, under arrest for the death of Miss White.
What?
You,
The molarity of the calcium chloride in your vegetables. Is it
The
fruit?
mangoes?
I think you mean
melons.
No! It was
No,
mangoes!
get up. There we go.
Are you serious? It's just
Let's
mangoes!
go. Let's go.
No!
This is ridiculous.
Mangoes aren't even fresh!
Oh, hello. My name is Reverend Dr. John Benanati. You know, in this movie we've talked a lot about molarity. What we haven't talked about is morality. And for 10 years I've lived with myself. Allow me to explain. I'm a priest, as well as a scientist. And on the morning of her death, Miss White came to me and confessed her sins. You see, Miss White was a chemistry teacher, as we all know. A chemistry teacher who hated chemistry. She realized this on the morning of her death and came to me and told me that she was going to kill herself. And that she was going to blame the one student she hated the most, Miss Scarlett. She used the molarity of calcium chloride that was exactly the same as the molarity that Miss Scarlett had in her mangoes. And Miss Scarlett has been on death row for the past 10 years over what Miss White did to herself. But I cannot say a thing. A priest does not reveal confessions to others, not even the police, not even for murder. So, in conclusion, don't take chemistry. It's just, it's toxic.
You so much. That's why I'm a chemistry, teacher. So, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna get a drink of water. That was good.
Now,
Wait, can I have some of your white chocolate?
no, that's, cups. Now, hey, hold on, wait, what? Okay. Both suspects seem very susceptible.
2, 3. Either words be there. You know these two. Got it. Yeah, I took it down. Stop! You see, I'm just working with what I've got.
We have no.
Thank you. Thank you. Never mind, just delete it. Everyone hand us in the credits thank you so much. Miss White, as you know, was a chemistry teacher.
And Ethan Siegel was a horrible, horrible man, and no one liked him. The night is dark. Do not lose yourself.
And the moral of the story is, because I'm alive, don't buy mangoes. Don't eat white chocolate. Don't kill yourself. Don't kill other people. Don't kill anyone. And don't take chemistry.